Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A74 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use text scanner in your phone Oppo A74. First, open camera in your phone and go to more option. Here select text scanner. Now bring any subject with some text printed there. I bring this bill here and it will be scanning. When yellow box appears, just click on the shutter button and it will be scanned. Scanned copy will be showing to you. This is the scanned copy. So you can just read out the text alone. Here from the bill, text alone will be read out and all other areas are cut. Again I showing here. So the text area will be the frame and it will be scanned and it's showing to you. So in this way you can easily use text scanner for just taking text area from the subject of your photo. That's all friends. Bye.